we've done the installation video, you've got the unit hung, wired in, making sure that the pump is lined into the only thing between after the VSD is the pump. Then it's plugged into the chlorinator, then the chlorinator is plugged into the power pump. So now once you've done that, turn the unit on. What will happen is the unit starts on a soft start. It will go straight to your 50 Hz, which is the standard 3,000 rotations per minute. It's drawing about 6.5 amps, which is standard for these. It's at 50 Hz. We'll work with the rotations per minute because that's really what we're designing here. You're looking at yourself and saying, well, okay, we've got a bit of an air bubble in, that's fine, that's all good. We've got the gas working through. The unit's looking at our salt, measuring how much salt we're doing. What will happen in 60 seconds after you've started, the reason we've got the 60-second delay is if you've got a problem with your check valve, it's got time for full power to draw that water up. Then it will slow down to your preset of 30 Hz or 1800 rotations per minute, which is our filter speed. And these are the key issues of why we've done the eco controllers. See, it's just dropped down now to 1800 rotations per minute. It's drawing 2.8, 2.9 amps at 30 Hz. I'll leave it on the 1800 rotations per minute. You've still got your gas flowing through quite well because the gas that's being done by the cell will go through. It doesn't matter if there's less water or more water. You can adjust that to whatever situation by moving the dial around, but let's leave it how it is. There's no reason to mess with that. If there's too much gas being produced, you may want to reduce it. As you heard when the unit kicked in and dropped down to the 1800 rotations per minute, a lot quieter. The motor's only spinning slower. It's 1800 rotations per minute, so it's not going to wear out your motor as quickly. The key benefit besides the power savings on it is that these filters are set for a minimum and maximum flow rate. Now, at the 2800 rotations, it was way too much power for the unit itself. By dropping it down, which is the majority of the time that this motor is running, it will make your filter work better. So your pump's happy because it's running quieter and slower. Your filter's happy because it's inside its guidelines where it wasn't before. Your chlorinator cell is happy, it's producing, there's flow rate going through. Your pipe work that's going in the ground is not under as much pressure. If you have got a creepy crawly, if we've dropped down the flow rate, you may need to look in your skimmer box for the adjustment for the amount which water comes in from the pool or comes from the pump itself. Now, when you want to set that up, if you adjust put it on and your creepy crawly isn't doing enough or needs a bit more flow rate, all you're doing is using the arrow key and upping it to wherever you like. As you can see, I'm just pushing the arrow key up. That's at full speed. That's at bottom speed. So if you want a little bit more speed, it's easy. Just put it up. If you need a bit more for your salt cell, which you can't adjust in here, or your creepy crawly needs a bit more in it. Now, we find that the 1800 rotations per minute, that will save you approximately 70 to 75% of your electricity bill. Now that the carbon tax is coming in, you've got an added benefit of approximately $100 per year, in some cases, depending on the size of the motor. We have got two units of these. One is, which is this, which will do up to your 1.25 kilowatts. You may get it bigger, but let's just stick to the 1.25 kilowatts, then the larger size unit, which will do up to the 10 amps. This will do up to 7 amps. 10 amps will do up to about 2 kilowatts. Now, we've been through the packaging. It comes out nice and well done. It's a 2-year warranty on the machine itself, making sure that anything that's in line is only from the eco controller to the pump. I think at the moment we'll go on to the next video soon with the backwashing. Thank you.